Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Use Schedule 1 to report additional income and adjustments to income on Form 1040. This schedule collects income sources that do not appear on the main Form 1040 lines. Report net profit or loss from Schedule C on Schedule 1, Line 3 as business income. Also include Form 1099 income that flows into business totals and other taxable business receipts. Separate adjustments to income such as self-employment tax deduction onto the adjustments section. Think of Schedule 1 as a catch-all for non-wage business items for accurate tax reporting. Start by preparing Schedule C to calculate your business gross income and expenses. Subtract business expenses to determine net profit or loss on Schedule C. Transfer the Schedule C net figure to Schedule 1, Line 3 on Form 1040 exactly as shown. Include any Form 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC amounts in your Schedule C totals before transfer. Next, claim allowable adjustments like 1/2 of self-employment tax on the adjustments section of Schedule 1. Double-check arithmetic and vehicle, home office, and supply expense entries for accuracy. Keep separate, dated records so Schedule C totals and Schedule 1 transfers match exactly. Reconcile bank statements and Form 1099 amounts before you submit your return to avoid mismatches. Do not forget to claim 1/2 of self-employment tax as an adjustment on Schedule 1 when applicable. Watch for common mistakes like misclassified expenses or omitted 1099 income that inflate taxable income. If you use tax software, verify each transfer line manually to ensure consistency before filing electronically or on paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.